Hey guys, so today I'm going to try some of these guys. Have you seen these before? I've been craving salt. And then if you're allergic to peanuts, nuts, wheats, milk, soy, celery, mustard, and sesame seeds, maybe don't eat it. They're very light in smell, I would say, compared to the American ones. Like, if salt and vinegar smells like 10 Town America, this smells like a 2 out of 10. Crunch in America is 10 out of 10. This crunch is going to be 5 out of 10. The salt and vinegar is 10 out of 10 in America. This is more vinegar than salt, so it's salt level 2 out of 10. Vinegar level 4 out of 10. Not bad. Like, actually not bad. I'm like impressed. Get yourself some. I'm not kidding. They're healthy. What's in here again? Potato flavor and oil. I'm reading this. I mean, chips are not healthy, but I'm gonna rate it 9.7 out of 10. Like, if you want to eat a ton, this might be your go-to. What are even the carbs? Per packet, 100. This is 50 grams. It tells you 100 grams and 30 grams. I bet it's in kilojoules and not calories. I don't know what you think, but these are the numbers. It's half of 2277 kilojoules. Oh, here it is. That makes sense. Oh my god, guess the calories. It's half of 100 grams because the bag is 50 grams. It's half of 546 calories. That's amazing. And our bags are so much more, I think. It's like 200 something calories. It's awesome. I keep my rating. Get some if you can. Bye. Oh, also, I should probably mention the price, so that's helpful. Just to give you a price comparison, I just finished the whole bag, finally. It took me a while. Not really, but I wanted to mention that it gets filled up to here, up here. Basically the top of the bag, as opposed to most American bags where it's just like half the bag. So that's a pro. I wish there was a bag of chip where it went to the top, but I think that's not even possible. So I'm gonna give the bag fill a solid 8.5 out of 10. And then I also wanted to mention the price, which is from a grocery store. That was 55 shillings. That's the same as I think about currently 43 cents. That's something to note and enjoy.